That's grumpier. Hey, are you as excited as I am for the pumpkin pageant? I mean, if large carved orange gourds is your thing. What did you carve? Oh, still working on it, huh? Well, whatever you carve, I'm sure it will be awesome.
Pete really loved Grumpy's style, so now he thought the perfect pumpkin had to be both simple and cool at the same time.
Well, if it isn't Pete the cat, what do you think? She's ready for the pageant. Yes, she's looking the part, but I'm not sure she'll be able to pull off the talent portion.
Oh, Wilson, it ain't that kind of pageant.
See you tonight, Pete.
Password. No, shh.
You didn't tell me a password. It's
What? Cause it's like Slideshow.
oh, okay.
Okay.
Oh, Inferno. Glad you could make it. You like Inferno? It was either that or Maelstrom, but that was so Nordic.
Park it over here, just
Yeah, well,
and I saved you a spot. Yeah, they're
well, big key.
Howard the truck.
How about a tow
invited
truck?
me here to watch you.
The battle arena. Battle arena. Yeah.
Don't look at me.
Hold on.
It's not like it's a better way to shoot. So I'm just.
Come on, girls.
He catching near. Wow, that's not like. Oh boy. Hey, with surprise. How? No. Here I got missed.
Why did you take our hats? They're afraid of our hats? No, that's impossible. Not.
Toppling. Over here!
Looks like we all
He was such a
jumped
big
to
TV
conclusions.
star. What is he doing here?
You're right.
We don't
You should
know.
have paid more attention to what Chiffon was trying to tell me.
Fiance, he just finished. Oof.
My experience is
What is it, girl? I can
He was meant to do something.
have to finish these.
I'm sure he can talk. Yes! I don't want to die!
Nope, there is not here.
Sorry.
I leave with the girl
I
asking.
was so busy I wasn't paying attention. I'm sorry, everybody. I'm sorry. Same here.
Alright, what, cousin? For him to know he likes to try to.
Lightning storm started a whole slew of spot fires and it burned. This is a big one.
Winds are out of the southwest with a moderate
See?
rate of spread.
No more scary face. Is it okay? Huh?
Rapid rate
Okay
of spread.
now?
Dipper, you're left to load up. Jam, lay in there. This ain't no campground. They're not
I think this dog park is now officially open.